Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When a bill is called for its third reading, it is voted on. If the governor vetoes a bill that has been sent to him, the bill can still become law if the General Assembly overrides the veto by passing the bill again by a 3/5 vote in both houses.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Once the governor receives a bill, he can sign it, veto it, or do nothing. If he signs it, the bill becomes law. If he does nothing, the bill becomes law without his signature. If he vetoes the bill, and the Senate and House of Representatives do nothing, the bill dies.
Take our lead.
If the governor vetoes the concurrent resolution, the General Assembly may override that veto by a 2/3 vote in each house. The Senate and the House of Representatives shall each have 30 calendar days or 10 legislative days, whichever is longer, to override the veto.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If the governor vetoes a bill while the legislature is in session or recess, one of the following actions may occur. The legislature may override the veto by a 2/3 vote of the members elected to and serving in each house. The bill then becomes law.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The governor has 12 days to sign, approve without signing, or veto a bill. If the bill is signed or approved without a signature, it goes to the Secretary of State to be chaptered. If the governor vetoes the bill, a 2/3 vote in each house is needed to override the veto.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.